Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So till now we have done all the steps. We have seen all the basics, assertions, assumptions, and exception handling, and repeated test and tags. Okay, till now. So now the two topics in the basic section are disabled and the timeout. So let's quickly see the disabled first. So disabled is a easy one. So whenever you don't have to run any test case, you can simply add disabled and add some your any comment. So easy to understand why you have disabled this test case, and this is a normal test case. So I'm just running these two test cases. So in the reporting, you can see 2 out of 2, but one has been skipped. And in the report, the test one has not been run. It has been skipped, and only second one has been run. So this is a simple disabled uh, annotation which you can put on top of your test case, right? So let's see the timeout now. Timeout is a good one. So basically, if you want to see some kind of performance out of your test cases, you can use timeout feature. What we are telling in this particular test case that I'm expecting my test cases to be finished within 6 seconds. Okay, unit I have defined here. You can change the unit, microseconds or nanosecond, whatever. So I'm defining here my this particular test cases should run within 6 seconds, and I have added a thread dot sleep of 5 seconds. Okay, so ideally this test case should pass without any problem, and in the second test case, I am saying that my test cases should finish within 10 seconds. And again, here I am sleeping only for 5 seconds. So both the test cases ideally should be passed successfully with this condition. And after that, we will change the value and we will make them fail as well. So, so test one has been executed and second has also been executed properly, right? So you can see both the test cases are in green and they are running absolutely fine. Now, let's see. Now I am expecting my test case to get finished within 2 seconds. Okay, but here inside this, I am waiting for 5 seconds. So definitely, condition has not been met for first test cases. And let's run the test cases again. And let's see the test one. See, the test one has been failed immediately after 2 seconds, and second has been passed. So the reason of first we can see here, test one timeout after 2 seconds. Yeah, so test case is waited for 2 seconds and then it has been failed immediately. So irrespective of what you have written, it will fail after 2 seconds. So this is a good feature if you want to make sure that your test cases are running within some specified time. We can use this test feature, timeout feature. Yeah, so that's it for this particular session. So from the next session, we will go on the advanced level of the JUnit. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.